In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a LinkedIn badge to your email signature. This is a great way to boost your professional image and make it easier for people to connect with you on LinkedIn. So, let's jump right in. First things first. You'll need to head over to LinkedIn's website. Open your browser and type LinkedIn. Come into the address bar. If you're not logged in yet, you'll need to do so. LinkedIn offers several login options and you can use Google, Microsoft, or simply your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might be prompted to verify your account with a code sent to your phone. So keep that handy. Once you're logged in, navigate to your LinkedIn profile. This is easily done by clicking on your profile picture, usually located in the top right corner of the navigation bar. Next, you'll want to look for the section labeled Public Profile and URL. This area is essential for customizing your LinkedIn badge. Scroll down until you find an option that says Add a badge to your blog or something similar. This is the key to sharing your professional identity across various platforms, like your email signature. When you locate this option, click on the Get the Code button. This will generate the HTML code you need. This code is what you'll use to seamlessly place the LinkedIn badge in your email signature. So, it's crucial to copy it carefully. Go ahead and select the HTML code. Then copy it to your clipboard. At this stage, you might encounter some issues if there are discrepancies with your account verification, such as mismatched names or unverified workplace details. It's important to ensure that all your LinkedIn information is current and accurate. Once everything checks out and you've secured your HTML code, it's time to switch gears and move on to your email settings. For those of you using Gmail, click on the gear icon found in the upper right corner of your screen. Then select See All Settings. Scroll down the settings page until you reach the signature section. You'll see a little pen icon there, which is your cue to start editing your signature. Now, consider where you'd like the LinkedIn badge to appear within your signature. Once you've decided, paste the HTML code you copied earlier, right there in your chosen spot. Don't forget to click on Save Changes before you exit. This ensures all your changes are retained. And there you have it. You've successfully added a LinkedIn badge to your email signature. This little addition not only uplifts your professional profile, but also makes it a breeze for those receiving your emails to connect with you on LinkedIn. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Stay tuned for more insightful tips.